To submit assignment, you need to open Google Classroom app. Then there are two options. First, you can submit your assignment by tapping here or opening your Google Classroom, or you can directly tap here and you can submit your due assignment, which will due soon. Okay, we will see both methods here. First, I will show by tapping here. You can see in stream tab there are multiple posts shared by your teachers. You can see that there are some assignments. This is also this is assignment. You can see this is assignment which is due yesterday. This is material. This is also assignment. So you can see all assignments here, or you can go to classwork tab and you can see assignments here. By tapping here, assignment will open directly and you can submit assignment from here only. Tap on this. Now you can see that day 5 assignment opens, and which is due today. Means today is the last date to submit this assignment. You can see that this 100-point exam, 100-point marks, 100 marks are there for this assignment. You can upload your assignment here. Okay, how to upload? You can tap here and scroll it up. Okay, I will show you now. Tap here and scroll it up. Now you can see that there are two options: add attachment or add a private comment. And after doing that, you can tap on this mark as done to submit your assignment. Okay, now we will discuss all this, how you can attach your assignment. Tap on this add attachment button. You can see that there are 1, 2 and 3 options. In first option, you can attach files from drive, link or upload file from device. And in second option, you can take photographs or record videos to attach this assignment. And third option is to create. You can create Google Docs. This is same as your Word file. This new slides means Google Slides, similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. And this is last new sheet, which is similar to Microsoft Excel. Okay, and this is the last option. By this option you can create new PDF. Okay, we will see all these options in this video. First, I will tap on this drive, then tap on my drive, and you can select a file from your drive. For example, I have selected this file and tap on select. Now you can see that our file has been uploaded here. Okay, if your assignment if you want to send only this file to your teacher, you need to tap on hand in button. Okay, but I want to show all the methods, hence I will not tap here. I will show you another methods how you attach files. Tap on add attachment here and you can attach a link. Okay, in this method you can add link of research paper or anything available online. Okay, for example, I will provide here google.com link and tap on add to add the link. You can see that google.com link has been added. Okay, to add another attachment, tap on add attachment and you can upload file from your device. In this You can upload document file, Excel file, or PDF file, or JPEG file. Okay, I will show you how to upload PDF file here. Tap on this PDF file and tap on open. Now you can see that our file document PDF has been uploaded here. Okay, to add another file, tap on attachment, and now you can see there are two options, to add photo and to record video. Okay, after tapping here, your device camera will open and you can take photograph or record video. Okay, I will show you now. Tap on take photo option. Now you can see that our device camera has opened. You can take photograph here. Okay, and tap on OK. Our image file, JPEG file, has been uploaded here. Okay, by same way you can attach video. You can record video using your device camera and you can upload it here. Okay, to create Google Docs you need to tap here. Okay, we will see that. Tap here. You can see that our document has been created and it is opening now. This blank document is open now. If you want to edit this file, you need to tap here, this pencil symbol. If you tap here, you can see that it is connecting to Google Play Store to begin installation. Okay, you need to download this Google Docs app first. If it is installed in your device, you can directly edit this file. Okay, and you can write content here. Okay, just like Microsoft document or Microsoft Word file, and you need to just press back. It will automatically be saved. Now by same method you can add Google Slide or Google Sheets. I will show you now. Tap on Google Slide. And you can see that Google Slide had been generated here. And to edit this, you need to tap on this and it will ask you to install Google Slide. Okay, you need to install this to edit the file. Okay, you need to install this to edit the Google Slides. By this method you can create your presentations here. Okay, after developing presentations, you need to just press back. It will get automatically saved. Next, tap on add attachment and tap on new sheet. You can see that sheet has been generated here, and it will open blank sheet. Okay, this is the blank sheet. If you want to edit this sheet, you need to tap here. After tapping here, it will open this panel and you need to download and install this Google Sheet app to use it. After installing, you can edit this file, and after pressing back button, file automatically get saved. In all three methods, file save automatically. You just need to press back after typing all this content. The last one is to create new PDF. Tap on this new PDF and you can see that our PDF file has been opened. You can write anything in this PDF file. For example, I will choose this pen of this color and of this size. You can write anything here. For example, I will write summary how to submit assignment. Okay, that's all. And after completing, you need to tap here and tap on save. You can see that day 5 assignment has been uploaded. PDF file has been uploaded here. Okay, by this method you can attach files from drive, you can provide links, you can upload files from your device, you can take and record photographs and videos, and you can create some files online. Okay, these are all options covered here. There is another method to check your assigned work. Tap on classwork tab here and you can tap on this icon, your work icon. This is your work icon. Tap here and you can see all your work assigned to you. Okay, this day 5 assignment, handed in, submitted. This is missing, this is missing, this is missing, this is assigned. Okay, you can see all your assigned work here. You can filter it out, your assignments, by tapping here. I will show you now. You can filter it by assigned, written and marked, and missing. There are three methods. Okay.